is Nigel 3000. Welcome to Steve's Garage Show. Steve has gone to the beach, and I was left in charge of the garage today. Join me as we adjust the valves on the Triumph TR3. Better remove this vent tube to the catch tank. The first thing we must do is remove the valve cover. I will use my robot hands to do a good job. Now we lift up the valve cover. The oil in here looks good. I will analyze it. It is 95% petroleum. I detect 5% Brontosaurus. Just kidding. There are a total of 8 valves. The first thing to do is figure out which valves are ready to adjust. Let me push the starter button. The valves go up and down. I'll use my handy-dandy feeler gauge. The valve clearance should be 18 thousandths. Ooh, this one is a little too loose. Perfecto. Hello?
Hello, Nigel?
Hey, Steve.
Yeah, I'm at the beach.
Okay.
Oh, there's a seagull.
What kind of seagulls?
I don't know what kind of seagulls they are.
Seagulls have webbed feet.
Yes, they have webbed feet, that's right.
Wow, Steve sure enjoys wildlife.
Hey, how's everything going?
Everything is fine. I'm working on the car.
I want you to adjust the valves, okay?
Okay.
Oh, there's another seagull. Oh, but there's a whole bunch of seagulls. Wait, Nigel?
Yeah.
I gotta go, there's seagulls everywhere.
Yes.
I gotta get away from these seagulls.
Goodbye, see you later. Okay, better get back to work. Where was I? Oh yes, must complete valve adjustment. Valve adjustment, valve adjustment, valve adjustment, valve adjustment, valve. I'll make sure all of the valves are set to the proper clearance. It's not really fair that Steve gets to go to the beach and I have to work. Maybe I should sabotage his car. Just kidding. Or am I? This valve cover reminds me of my ex-wife. Let's reinstall this. All done. This job has been completed. Thank you for joining me. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Nice day, nice day, nice day, nice. Goodbye.